Hey guys, welcome to this video. It's Blake and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this hairstyle using a few Aussie products. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to begin by working my hair up into a high puff. So to do this, I like to put it in a loose scrunchie so I can slick it up. So I'm going to be taking some water just to rehydrate my hair, as well as Aussie's Total Miracle Detangling Spray, and I'm going to use a wide tooth comb to comb through my hair and get it smooth up into the high puff. And I'm also going to take some Miracle Curl Frizz Taming Cream and apply that to the perimeter of my hair just to add some moisture. So now that my hair is all smooth and up, I can take a hair tie and put my hair into a really tight, high ponytail. So I like to stand up and tilt my head because I can get like a better grip. And I tie this hair tie around about 3 times just to get it tight, but not too tight where I have a headache. Okay, so once I've done that, I'm going to take some of the Instant Freeze Gel and apply that to kind of my edges and just on the top to smooth down any of the flyaways and get my hair like super slick how I like it. And I'm also going to take out some of my baby hairs so they're not gelled up when I'm ready to work with those in a second. Okay, and then lastly, to finish the high puff, I like to take another hair tie and put it a little bit above the bottom hair tie so it kind of creates like a higher puff and kind of creates illusion of like my hair is like standing up a little bit more. And this works, I think, well with if your hair is kind of long and it's kind of losing shape. So I like to do that. And I'm going to just tie my scarf around so my hair can be laying and drying while I work on my edges. So using my favorite edge control, I'm just doing like some pretty extra baby hairs. I wanted to kind of go all out with this. So I'm just, creating a little bit of art. Okay, so now that I finished this side, I like to take some gel and apply it on top of the laid edges. And I like to do this trick when I really want my edges to last. I used to do this when I used to like slay my edges more often than I do now, but this really holds it. So if you have a hard time finding an edge control that can really hold your hair throughout the day, try adding a gel on top and it'll last and add some extra hold. And I'm just going to repeat the same steps to the other side and apply my scarf again. I'm ready to apply my gems. So I have some crystals and some pearls and some glitter glue, and I'm going to be using that to apply them to my edges to make them all sparkly and cute. So I just applied like a little dot of the glitter glue and then applied the gem, the crystal or the pearl, and they're flat back crystals, and I just applied them where I felt like they would be cute. You can find these flat back crystals or pearls online or at your beading, like a local beading store, so they're really easy to find and you don't need any expensive ones. And to finish up, I'm going to pick out my puff just to get it, exactly how I want it. And we're done. So I just want to thank Aussie for sponsoring today's video. And yes, this is the final look. Cute. Alright y'all, so we have made it to the end of the video and now my hair matches my nails. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think down below. Let me know if you would try this, if you would wear it, or if you're going to do it. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.